So in this video you're going to learn how to create a blog website beginner's guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So watch till the end. So guys, first things first, to create a website. So to create a website we require domain and hosting and installing WordPress and then installing a free theme. Okay, so guys, these are the steps which are required, and I'm gonna show it to you in very simple and easy steps. So first things first, we need to purchase hosting, and for me Bluehost is one of the best web hosting. The reason for that is it makes it easier for you to install WordPress. Second thing, they have a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you want you could get the refund. Third thing, as you could see, they give you free domain for the first year. That's absolutely amazing. They give you free SSL and one-click WordPress installation. So one click means within 3 seconds you'll be able to create a website. So guys, let's begin. The first things first, click on get started. I would always select the recommended. Okay, so don't select the basic because it just has one website. You can select the recommended. The reason I tell you this is because it has everything is unlimited, and then you can create a lot of websites. So let's say you're creating a travel blog, you're creating a yoga blog, you're creating a fitness blog, so you can create a lot of blogs. So I would always select recommended. Once over here, you need to create a new domain. So put your domain name. So basically domain name for me would be yavarkhan.com. So I've already purchased yavarkhan.com, as you could see, so which I'm not gonna do right now. So see, Yavarkhan is already purchased. So for y'all, I'm just gonna put a demo domain, a sample domain. I'm gonna click next, and then just fill out your information. If you're feeling really lazy, just sign in with Google. I would select this thing and I would select 12 months. It's gonna be a little expensive, as you could see, but there's a 70% discount link in the description, but still it's gonna come around this thing. It's a bit expensive, but with this in return you're gonna get high speed, free domain, free SSL, unlimited websites, and on top of that unlimited support. So if you have any question, they would help you. Okay, and then you can just click on submit, which I'm not gonna do because I've already purchased it. So once you buy it out, you'll get an email, then you just have to log in and then put your domain name and password. So you have to put your domain name and password and log in. Once you do that, so once you're in your dashboard, so this is your Bluehost dashboard. So you just have to click on my sites, create a site. Okay, so again I'm gonna show it to you if I was really fast. This is the Bluehost dashboard. Click on my sites, create a site, put your site name. So for me it's gonna be blog. I'm just gonna type blog. This is your site tagline, whatever your tagline is. Just click next, select your domain from here. For me it's yavarkhan.com. I'm just gonna write blog because I already have a website on yavarkhan.com. Just deselect everything and just click next. Now as you could see, within 3 seconds you will be able to install WordPress. So 1, 2 and 3. Now so it's taking a bit more time, but yeah, so as you could see, within under 5 seconds you are able to install WordPress. And the best thing about it is you don't even have to remember your password. From Bluehost you could directly log into WordPress. So yeah, so now once you are in your WordPress dashboard, it's gonna take some time to load depending on your internet speed. So now once you're over here, there are 2 very important things which you have to do. First, come in settings, click on permalinks, this one, click on post name. The reason we are doing this is for SEO, safe change. That is the first thing. The second thing is, when you're buying from Bluehost, you need to launch your website. So currently if you see your website, it's gonna show coming soon page. So if I paste over here my title, it says coming soon. So all you have to do is just launch your site. So congratulations, your website is launched. If you could view site, you could see. Now what the next thing which we are going to do is post. So all you have to do is new post, first post, and just write some data and publish. Once you publish it, guys, congratulations, you have published your first post. So it looks very easy. Now the second thing which we have to do is, right now it looks very basic. We are going to install a theme, so it's a very easy. Click on appearance themes. So it's appearance themes. Guys, let me know if I'm going really fast. Okay, just click on add new. So appearance themes, add new appearance themes. You can click over here as well. So you can click over here as well and then add new, and I would search Nico. This is a really good free theme for creating a blog. All you have to do is install, and then once this is installed, activate. And now once I go back to my website, as you could see, it looks really good. So this is it, guys. I don't want to make it more complicated, just make this thing. And the bonus, I told you, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions. I tell you how you could make it SEO optimized so it starts ranking in Google, the best SEO plugin, the best hosting, everything's over there. So I created a sample site called Yoga. So if I go over there, so as you could see, the site title is optimize yoga poses, gets a lot of search from Google. And even if you see the blog post, so as you could see, the blog post is optimized as well. So in that free course, everything's over there. The link is down below, so go and check it out. And if you think this video is really valuable, please consider subscribing over here, and I would see you in the next video.